Okay, got some more eBay stuff here. We'll go through. Let's see what we bought this time. This, what do we got? The top motor mount for a shovelhead, looks like. With all the hardware. Looks good in an uneven box. Oh, even got a stud off the head came off too. Got the original spark plug wire retainer on there. That goes back to 37. So a panhead would have a choke mount, a 90-degree piece sticking down here for a choke on it. Shovelhead's more plain. It's got a screw hole on here for some kind of a clamp go on there too. It's got the stock big-headed bolt that goes through the frame. All this, but this should be going the other direction. I think so I would do it, but who knows. So that's the stud that goes there with the washer that belongs under it. And then we have a nut over here. So nice original one. Got everything with it. That's pretty nice. There's some more washers in here. There's the other washers that are missing. Always like running the big one against the head. Protect the head so it doesn't get all eaten up. So I like doing it. Alright, that looks pretty nice. So that's 66 through 84. I don't think they ever changed them except for FXEs. They had another bracket came off here for the ignition switch. It sat right in this corner right here. This is your standard FL stuff. Alright, pretty nice.